Hello everyone, in this video, I would like to introduce two activities that can be used to teach phonics. The first activity that I would like to introduce is called sound find. The aims of this activity is first, to enable pupils to recognize and reinforce minimal pairs through actions. Second, to enable pupils to improve their listening skills. Teacher can prepare a minimal pair list, for example, log, brog, lamb, ram, rose, close, and so on. To carry out this activity, teacher has pupils work as a whole class, standing up. Then, teacher instructs pupils, raise your left hand when you hear a word with the R sound. Raise your right hand when you hear a word with the U sound. Then, teacher demonstrates for the pupils log, brog. Next, teacher reads out the targeted minimal pairs, and pupils will listen and raise their right or left hand accordingly. So what are the pros and cons of this activity? On the one hand, pupils can identify the minimal pairs and remember them quickly. Pupils also can listen and do something with their hands. On the other hand, the class might go noisy and it may be difficult to control, especially for novice teacher. The second activity that I would like to introduce is called slap the sounds. The aims of these activities is first, to enable pupils to recognize long or short sounds, for example, school or cook, in words and sentences. Second, to enable pupils to improve listening skills. Teacher can prepare cards with either long or short sounds written on them for each student. To carry out the activity, teacher can put pupils into pairs. Then, teacher gives each pupil a card showing either long or short sounds. Elicit more words containing U from the pupils as a whole class. Teacher says a word or a sentence containing the word, and students will slap other card at the desk. There are also other options. Option 1. Teacher says one word, pupils listen and raise the long or short cards accordingly. Option 2. Teacher asks the pupils to place both cards in front, and teacher says a word. Students listen and slap the correct cards according to the long or short sounds. So what are the pros and cons of this activity? On the one hand, pupils can identify the sound and remember them quickly. Pupils like to listen and do something with their hands. On the other hand, the class might go noisy and be difficult to control. So far, I have introduced two activities that can be used to teach phonics. Hope that they will be helpful for your teaching. Thank you for watching.